Good morning, dear students. Today we have to start exercise 10B. Question number 1. An express train from 240 meters long is running with a speed of 108 km per hour. In what time will it pass an electric pole? So here time you have to find. In what time? You know time is equal to distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is given 240 km, 240 meter. Speed is given 108 km per hour. So 108 km per hour can be changed into meter per second. So 108 into 5 upon 18. 18 6 ja 108, 6 5 ja 30. So 30 meter per second. Speed 108 km per hour is equal to 30 meter per second. And time, distance upon speed, distance is given 240 meter. Distance is 240 meter upon speed is given 30 meter per second. So 240 upon 30. So 0 and 0 will cancel. 3 8 ja 24. So 8 seconds. So this is the time. Now question number 2. If a train with a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 30 seconds, what is the length of the train in meters? Speed of train is given 60 km per hour. So 60 km per hour can be converted into meter per second. 60 into 5 upon 18. 60 into 5, that is 300. 300 upon 18 meter per second. This is speed. You have to find out length. Length means distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. You know this formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 300 upon 18 into time is given 30 seconds. Time is 30 seconds. So 300 upon 18 into 30. So multiply 300 into 30. That will become 9000 upon 18. So 18 5 ja 90. So it is 500 meter. 500 meter. Now a train 50 meters long passes a platform 100 meter long in 10 seconds. Time is 10 seconds and total distance is 50 plus 100. Total distance is 50 plus 100. 50 plus 100 means 150. And time is given 10 seconds. So what is the speed of the train? So speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 150 meter upon time is 10 seconds. So 0 and 0 will cancel. 15 meter per second. You can change this 15 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So 15 into 18 upon 5. 5 3 ja 15. 18 3 ja 54. So 54 kilometer per hour. So this is your answer. Now question number 4. A train 270 meters long is running at a speed of 36 km per hour. 270 meters long means this is distance. Speed is 36 km per hour. So change this speed 36 km per hour into meter per second. So 36 into 5 upon 18. 18 2 ja 36. 2 5 ja 10. So 10 meter per second. And distance is, total distance, train is 270 meter long and it has to cross a bridge of 180 meters. So total distance will be 270 plus 180, that is 450 meter. Total distance is 450 meter and speed is 10 meter per second. So time you have to find out. Time is equal to distance upon speed. This is formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 450 upon speed is 10. So 450 upon 10. So 0 and 0 will cancel. You will get 45. 45 seconds. Okay. Now question number 5. A passenger train 125 meters long take half a minute in crossing a tunnel 355 meters long. What is the speed of the train? 125 meters long, passenger train is 125 meters long and it has to cross a tunnel 355 meters. So total distance will be 125 plus 355. That is 480 meters. Time is given half minute. Half minute means half into 60 seconds. Half into 60 seconds means 30 seconds. Time is given 30 seconds. Distance is given 480 meters. So speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is 480 upon time is 30. So 0 and 0 will cancel. 3 can divide 48. You will get 16 meter per second. 16 meter per second. Now question number 6. A train 200 meter long running at 36 km per hour takes 55 seconds to pass a bridge. What is the length of the bridge? So speed is given 36 km per hour. Change this 36 km per hour into meter per second. So 36 into 5 upon 18. 18 to the 36 to 5 the 10. 10 meter per second. And distance covered in 55 seconds. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is given 10 meter per second into 55. Time is 55 seconds. So 10 into 55 means 550 meter. So length of the bridge is 550 minus 200. That is 350. So you have to find out length of the bridge. So this is 350 meter. Now question number 7. A 225 meter long train crosses a 275 meters long tunnel. So total distance you can find out. Total distance is equal to 275 plus 225. That is 500 meter. Time is 1 minute. Tunnel in 1 minute. Means 1 minute means 60 seconds. So speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 500 meter. Upon time is 60 seconds. So 500 meter upon 60 seconds. So 0 will cancel. You will get 50 upon 6 or 25 by 3 meter per second. Change into kilometer per hour. So 25 by 3 into 18 upon 5. 5 can divide 25. 5 5 ja. 3 6 ja. So 6 5 ja 30. 30 kilometer per hour. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, ask it on WhatsApp.